Alright, YouTube authors, BH Blankenship here, dropping a quick video about selling at conventions. With this, I usually recommend, starting small, a few local things, attendance of a few hundred people, nothing big, nothing major. Build up your pitch, build up your confidence. All that, just kind of really work the kinks out of your system, so whenever you are ready to hit the bigger cons, you're going to have a better turnover. And I have a cat here, whining for attention. Ivy. Yeah, I know you're whiny and you want attention, but yeah, I'm busy. All right. Okay, just a few quick tips about all that. First off is that people really respond to energy. I've been at conventions, both on the floor and behind the booth. One thing I can tell you is be engaging. I can't tell you how many authors I've seen just sitting behind their table, stack of books, not talking to people, hoping that people come and come talk to them, which really isn't going to work out for them. So yeah, don't just sit down in your seat. Stand, be involved, talk to people as they go by, comment on their costumes, greet them. Hey, your basic, how you doing today? You having a good time at the convention? Sure. All right. And yeah, talk to people, give them a reason to come to your table and look at your books. And that cat is messing with. Okay, sorry about that. Ivy here is just, doing her thing. But, and on top of, talking to and engaging people, also have a few things at your table that are going to give them something to look at. When they get there, if they just see a small stack of books, that's not really going to draw their attention. Now, have a few visual aids, like something I carry. Made this myself. It actually goes with my Wanslinger Wiley's Merlin-esque Marvels and Mayhem show, but I made this. It's just a prop piece, just EVA foam, acrylic paint, dowel rod. I actually have a pair of these. I set them out on the table by the book. People like to come up and look at props. They'll pick them up, look at them. No, it's kind of something cool to engage them. I also have a sword I made to go with the Bannerman's blade. So I'll divide up my table between my Wiley side and my Bannerman side. I'll have my Wiley's props there, Bannerman's props there, so on. And also, as an illustrator, I also have art prints, which I have available to sell, just kind of round things out. But that's me. That's one of the things I specifically do. But yeah, have other items on your table, maybe some extra little bonus sell items. Offer deals, when I'm at shows, Bannerman's Blade, I charge 15 for that. Wanslinger Wiley's, I charge 10. Get them both together, that's 2 for 20. So yeah, just run little deals. Have other things, like I said, with my art prints. I don't like doing other people's intellectual property, so all my art prints I sell are my own design, my own characters. Like I have mythological creatures, I have dragon paintings, which you've seen in previous videos if you've watched them. If not, watch them. Sometimes show them. They're in the backgrounds. They're there. But and also have materials ready. Business card. This is my business card. Designed it myself. Had a few of them done up at Office Depot, or you can go to like a smaller, more individual mom and pop type print shop, or order them online. But anyway, have your cards. They're a handy thing. They have information. They can go to your site. They have what they need. If they want more information on there, you can always write on the back side. Just pull out a pen, say, okay, this is where I go to do this. And people appreciate when you're helpful. So, if they have questions about, how you've done what you've done, where you've gone through, where you've printed through, they're grateful for that information. Plus, also, it helps give a hand to the community, the writers community. So we're all out there, we're all in it. So let's help each other out. This is the whole purpose of these videos. Is I want to help people looking to get started with the benefit of my experiences. You know, what I do, where I go through things I've learned, and so forth. But yeah, just a few little things. I usually allow some kind of a table dressing. I'll also sometimes put out the little LED tea light candles, just to give them some more interest points. But yeah, so yeah, when you're at the conventions, just kind of sum it all up. You know, stand up, don't sit down, be engaging, be helpful, talk to people. You know, compliment their costumes. They have questions, answer them. Leave things out for them to look at. You know, just don't just sit there like a little sad sack of potatoes with a single small stack of books. It's not really going to draw people in, because as booksellers, you have to remember, part of it isn't just writing, it is also selling. Which, to sell, you have to bring people in, get them engaged, you know, get them to want to read it. You know, figure out a short, quick tagline for these books that, you know, that draw interest. Like with Wanslinger Wiley's, you know, I mentioned, hey, it's cowboys with magic wands, you know, and just all kinds of fun stuff. You know, make it sound like a fun read for them. You know, because if you can't really catch them on the hook, they're just going to say, oh yeah, I'm just going to walk around a little bit, you know, and see what all there before I spend money, and you don't see them again. So yeah, it's not just about having a book there. It's about, you know, getting people's attention, get them to want to read it. You know, do something that's gonna make you stand out a little bit. That's honestly, you know, why I got the bowler here, because, you know, they see me at a convention, I got the bowler, they remember the bowler. They come around again, maybe next year if they didn't buy the book that time. They see the bowler, like, oh yeah, hey, that guy was here last year. So yeah, it can be a little bit gimmicky, but, you know, it's something to help you stand out. So, and that's it. That's what you want. You want to stand out to the people. But all right, end of this quick video. I'm gonna sign out.